one of the things that's been mentioned a lot is around the over-procurement of free time. So when we've been out in the market speaking to our clients, really common for us to hear, well, we don't really know how to procure because we don't have visibility over all of the detention and demurrage that we're spending. So then it becomes very difficult to make a data-driven decision. So with one of our clients, we were able to work with them and highlight that they were over procuring on their detention and demurrage. 70% of their shipments were actually moved off of the port within 3 days. However, they were purchasing 10 days free. And as everybody's mentions and knows, 3 days aren't really free. There is a cost there somewhere. So helping driving cost savings at a very high level when it comes to procurement and contract management. The other thing I did want to talk about as well is one of the other big areas that we're discussing with clients is around the accounts payable processing. A lot of our clients were telling us, the cost to the business on average for processing an invoice that can't be automatically matched is around about $50. And we're having thousands of invoices move through the system. So I do just want to introduce a generative AI agent that we actually apply on top of the data within the system. And now we have some for our visibility offering, but in this instance, I'm going to click on the fees explanation, which is the explanation for our buy rate on the detention and demurrage. And so this is a breakdown and an understanding of where the charges have come from on the buy side. And we have clients that are actually using this as backing to automatically or semi-automatically reject carrier invoices to just support with things like improving cash flow and making sure that everything that can be rejected is, and we're plugging any revenue leakage. One of the things that we hear very often is around the impact of if you're not correctly managing your supplier invoices and they withdraw credit facility, what an impact that can also have on a business.